Which of the following lists contains methods of generating electricity? The correct answer is windmills, solar panels, and falling water. Explanation: windmills, solar panels, and falling water are all methods used to generate electricity. What is a battery? The correct answer is 2 or more electric cells. Explanation: a battery is formed by combining multiple cells. What is the name of the thin wire inside the glass bulb of an incandescent lamp that glows when electricity passes through it? The correct answer is filament. Explanation: the filament is the thin wire that glows inside an incandescent lamp. Under what condition will a lamp glow in an electrical circuit? The correct answer is current passes through the circuit. Explanation: current must pass through a complete circuit for a lamp to glow. What is the primary function of a switch in an electrical circuit? The correct answer is completes or breaks a circuit. Explanation: a switch either completes or breaks a circuit, thus controlling the flow of electricity. Which type of material allows electric current to pass through it easily? The correct answer is conductors. Explanation: conductors allow electric current to pass through them easily. Which type of material does not allow electric current to pass through it? The correct answer is insulators. Explanation: insulators do not allow current to pass through. Which of the following components are present in LED lamps? The correct answer is positive and negative terminals. Explanation: LED lamps have positive and negative terminals and do not use filaments. What terminals does an electric cell have? The correct answer is a positive and a negative terminal. Explanation: an electric cell has a positive and negative terminal. What is used to represent electrical circuits in a circuit diagram? The correct answer is symbols. Explanation: circuit diagrams use symbols to represent electrical circuits. Which of the following is not a method of generating electricity according to the text? Windmills, torchlight, falling water. The odd one out is falling water. Because windmills and falling water are listed as methods to generate electricity. A torchlight is a device that uses electricity. Which of the following is not a part of a torchlight? Lamp, switch, filament. The odd one out is filament. Because a lamp and switch are components of a torchlight. A filament is a component of an incandescent lamp. Which of the following is not a terminal of an electric cell? Positive terminal, negative terminal, battery. The odd one out is battery. Because positive and negative are terminals of a cell. A battery is a combination of cells. Which of the following is not a component that completes the path of current in a circuit? Lamp, switch, electric cell. The odd one out is electric cell. Because the other two are components of an electrical circuit. An electric cell is the source of electricity. Which of these materials does not define whether current can pass through a circuit? Conductors, switch, insulators. The odd one out is switch. Because conductors allow current to pass, while insulators do not. A switch completes or breaks the current's path. Which of the following is not a type of lamp? Incandescent lamp, LED lamp, filament. The odd one out is filament. Because incandescent and LED lamps are types of lamps, while a filament is only in incandescent lamps. Which of these is not a physical part of an electrical circuit? Lamp, switch, circuit diagram. The odd one out is circuit diagram, because the other two are needed to make a functional electrical circuit. A diagram is used to represent the circuit. Which of the following is not a method of generating electricity? Electric current, solar panels, switch. The odd one out is electric current, because electric current flows through a circuit. Solar panels produce electricity. A switch controls current flow. Which of the following is not a component of a lamp? Filament, positive terminal, switch. The odd one out is switch, because incandescent lamps use filaments. LEDs use positive and negative terminals. A switch controls current flow. Which of the following is not a type of lamp? Incandescent lamp, LED lamp, insulator. The odd one out is insulator, because the other two are types of lamps described. An insulator prevents electric current from passing through. Electricity, circuits. Explanation. This sentence introduces the main topics covered in the chapter. Electricity is generated in multiple ways, including dash, and falling water. Windmills, solar panels. Explanation illustrates different methods of electricity generation. A dash is used to introduce the basics of electricity. Torchlight. Explanation. The torchlight serves as a simple example for understanding electricity. A torchlight contains a dash and a dash. Lamp, switch. Explanation. Basic components of a simple electrical device. An electric cell has two dash, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Terminals. Explanation describes the fundamental parts of an electric cell. A dash is a combination of two or more cells. Battery. Explanation defines what a battery is made of. The dash is the thin wire inside the glass bulb of an incandescent lamp that glows. Filament. Explanation identifies the glowing part of an incandescent bulb. LED lamps do not have dash and have a positive and negative terminal. Filaments. Explanation highlights a key difference between LED and incandescent lamps. An electrical dash provides a complete path for electric current to flow through a lamp. The lamp glows only when current passes through the circuit. Circuit. Explanation explains the role of an electrical circuit. A dash is a device that either completes or breaks a circuit. Switch. Explanation defines the function of a switch in a circuit. Windmills. Electric cell. Terminals. battery, multiple cells,
Did you put peppermint in this, sir? Huh? Did you put
filament,
peppermint into this?
incandescent lamp,
There's like peppermint to me, but-
LED lamp, no filament, electrical circuit,
అడిగేవారా?
complete path,
ఏంది వాళ్ళ సన్కి డబ్బు
switch, brake circuit, circuit diagram, symbols, conductors, allow current, insulators, block current, electricity, simplicity,
తింట్రా.
battery, flattery, cell, smell, switch, ditch, lamp, camp, current, warrant, positive, dispositive, negative, legislative, circuit, biscuit, wire, tire,